very slow day today. We're getting paid to breathe.
Shut up, Tom. No one cares.
Goodness, it is hot in this room.
Well, I feel pretty good in this room. Nice body temperature and all.
Shut your mouth, Tom.
Oh, hell no. Who ate my apple? This isn't a game. Who ate my apple?
I'm sure someone can buy you a new apple, Jackie.
So you ate my apple? How would you like it if I ate my
What? No, I'm allergic.
Look, there are only 3 of us working today. I'm not playing around. I will take all of you down if you don't confess.
Well, I just had takeout, so that's not my problem.
So nobody's gonna admit to it?
Maybe you took the wrong apple by mistake, Jackie.
Shut up, Tom.
Alright guys, 5 minutes and it's back to work. Is that my apple? What are you all grunting for?
You ate my apple, sir?
Oh, this is your apple? Didn't have a name on it. And it clearly says you're supposed to put your name on your belongings. So I'll tell you what. I'm gonna finish this. But I will remove the last 2 days that you were late last week, and I'll add a new apple onto your next paycheck. Alright? 2 minutes and it's back to work. Oh, and Jackie, I need those reports on my desk by 2 o'clock.